I will test the noise of the propellers. So these are 51466. They look like this. They are three-bladed. The same thing is here in another color. I will compare these to these. So three-bladed against six-bladed propellers. These are pretty silent. I'm not sure about these. Let's see. So here we have the six-bladed. Okay, here we have the three-bladed propellers. These are much easier to grab. You don't have six propellers. You have place where to put your fingers when you want to tighten the screws. These screws. They are just a little bit more noisy, not as noisy as my previous propellers. And that's a pretty good one, clear blue and pink.